In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple guide to adding fonts in Canva. The right font can completely change the look and feel of your design, whether it's personal or professional. Let's get started. First, log into Canva and open a new or existing design. Click on the text box you want to update. This tells Canva exactly where the font change will happen. Now, look at the toolbar above your workspace. You'll see the current font name displayed there. Click it to open the drop-down menu of available fonts. Scroll down to the bottom of the font menu and select Upload a Font. Canva will then prompt you to choose a font file from your computer. Make sure the font you're uploading is in OTF, TTF, or BUOFF format. Select the file, then click Open. Canva will automatically upload it for you. One important note: be sure your font is properly licensed, especially if you're using it for commercial purposes. Custom font uploads are available for Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise, Canva for Education, and Canva for nonprofits. If you're on the free version, you'll need to upgrade to access this feature. Once the upload is complete, you can apply your new font. Just click the text box, open the font list, and select your uploaded font from the menu. And that's it. You now know how to add custom fonts in Canva. This simple feature helps make your designs unique and on brand. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.